my gorgeous. This is Hema from Shivane Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's going to be new today in Shivane's boutique? Summer, hot, and everybody wish to wear cotton clothes, and this episode is going to be full of cotton collections. For prices and product descriptions, log on to our website www.shivaneboutique.com or 9585501762 is our WhatsApp number. We are at your service. Let's start the show. The first product is this. It's a very nice pale color, kashish color it is. For the lights, the colors may be little different, so that you can log on to our website and see the photographs and then place your orders. If you need any assistance, you can WhatsApp us 9585501762. This is a beautiful kashish color with this hand embroidery, and this is the pant, and this comes with a nice cotton dupattas. The dupattas are really lightweight, and after one wash it will become very lightweight. You can see the transparency of the dupatta. This is cotton, alright, and I have got different colors in this. The first color is this, the second color is this kashish with coffee color. All are nice what to say, prints, and inside this fabric you do not want to put a lining. If you are not interested, you don't want to put a lining, the fabric is thick, and this is the pant for this, and once again the dupatta is this, and the third color is this. Top all same colors with different prints, and this is a green, little bit of bottle green color pant. The pattern is also cotton as well, and this is with this dupatta. Alright, and then the second one is this. See, there's such a nice beautiful print it is. It's a nice print, 100% cotton, and you can find beautiful works on it. And this is the pant for this, and for this you have got a chiffon dupatta. So whoever wants to be like some loves chiffon dupatta, some wants to wear cotton dupatta, so it is according to your taste and preference. And the second color in this is this. Such a nice amazing color. See this color, the combinations are really good. Alright, and the next product is this. It's a nice satin cotton with a beautiful hand embroidery in the center, orange color. So this is the top, and this is the pant, and this comes with a mushroom dupatta. Nice mushroom, more or less it looks like a gaji silk dupatta. Alright, it's also called as mushroom, and this is how it is. The breadth is less, but the length is good. So the length of the dupatta comes this much. Alright, and the second color in this is this. See, this is the second color. Let me open this and show you. Nice blue color it is, with this work at the middle, and this is the pant for this, and this is the mushroom dupatta for this. Alright, the next product is this. It's a nice soft satin cotton, best for our climatic condition, and so it has a bandhani printed. It's just a bandhani printed, it's not original bandhani, and this is the pant for this, and it has a chiffon dupatta for this. So nice chiffon dupatta, and the second color in this is this. It's a nice green color, so pleasant and beautiful. So this comes this way, alright, and then this is a cotton based fabric. I'm just checking, cross checking. It has a beautiful print all over. See this amazing print, and this is the pant, rose pants for this, and it's a rose dupatta for this. Dupatta is so lightweight, and it's a cotton dupatta, and we have got three colors in this. Second color is a nice blue color with this combination, and then the third color is this green color with this combination, and then the fourth color is this. So four beautiful colors we have today. So if you need any assistance, please log on to our website www.shivaneboutique.com or else 9585501762 is our WhatsApp number. We are at your service. Alright, so these are the different colors in this, and then the next comes this. This is also a cotton, nice cotton fabric. So this is printed. See this nice printed fabric, and this is the pant for this, and you have got a beautiful chiffon dupatta for this. Lovely pussycat chiffon dupatta. And then the second color is this. It's a pale coffee color with this combination. Lovely combination it is. And then what's next? See, the next thing is this. It's a hand block printed cotton top. So this is the top for this, and this is the pant for this, and once again this is a soft cotton dupatta for this. Lovely, beautiful, amazing dupatta. Alright, and we have got different prints in that. The second print is this, and then the third print is this. All are of same concept but of different prints, and the colors are also same, indigo colors. And then the next comes this cotton fabric with cotton pant and then cotton dupatta. See, the fabric is pretty cool and lovely as well. So this is how it is, and we have got nice color combination in this. The second color is this. The pant, you can find a striped vertical pant, it is cotton, and you have got a cotton dupatta for this. These dupattas are really lightweight. You can wash it and wear it. So it's very best for this hot climatic condition. So this is how the dupatta is. And the fourth color in this is the ulta color, green yellow with green combination. So this is how it is. Alright, and then this is something like muslin fabric. See, this is an amazing muslin fabric with this lovely prints all over, foil printed all over, and this is the muslin pant for this, and it's a nice beautiful pussycat chiffon dupatta. Alright, and then the next comes this. It's a kind of nice printed fabric with the lace at the central portion over here, and this is the pant for this, and the beauty of the entire thing is this cotton. It's actually a cotton, nice embroidered dupatta. The dupatta is really lightweight as well. And then comes our cotton top. See, this top is something really different with this nice beautiful patch on it, and you can find katha all over. And this is the printed pant for this, and the sweetest part is this kota, super net kota dupatta it is. Alright, and then comes the next soft cotton, lovely color combination with border embroidery all over. See this. So this is how it is with a border embroidery all over, and this is the pant for this. Pant, the down portion comes with this border embroideries, and then this is the dupatta for this. Dupatta is also a cotton, lovely cotton dupatta with embroideries. Alright. And then the next comes this, a nice pleasant color. The prints are also so beautiful. So this is how it is, and this is the pant for this. Alright, and this comes with a beautiful pussycat bandhani dupatta. Alright, see this color, so pretty and bright and nice. So this color gives you nice look as well, and this is the pant for this. Once again, it's a cotton dupatta for this, lovely cotton dupatta. The dupattas are really soft and nice. Alright, and next, all nice colors this episode. See, this is the top for this. Alright, top you can find nice beautiful work. It's a hand embroidered work on the top, and this is the zigzag pant with this shibori dupatta, pussycat dupatta. Then comes this. Colors are so beautiful this time, and this is the top for this. Alright, and this is the pant for this, and once again this comes with an amazing pussycat chiffon dupattas. The dupattas are so good, and these two are super net kota cottons. This comes with the top and then only with dupatta. So there are no pants in this. Okay, and dupatta for this. These are the two different colors that we have right now. And this is a muslin fabric with embroidered on the top. See, this is the muslin fabric with embroidered on the top. These are all nice, beautiful hand embroideries. And this is the pant for this. And this is the dupatta for this. Super cool dupatta. The dupatta is also embroidered dupatta. Alright, and once again, this is a muslin, half white color, semi-stitched, and this is the pant for this. And you can find it amazing muslin. This dupatta is so lightweight and soft as well. Alright, this is our all-time favorite designs with mirrors, real mirrors. These are all, so much care has to be taken. And this is the top portion for this, and this is the pant, and this is a original bandhani, and this is also original bandhani dupattas. All are nice ones. And then we have only got two more designs. Sit back, relax, and enjoy our show. And see, this is the top with beautiful mirrors all over, and this is the pant for this. And once again, it is an amazing pussycat chiffon dupatta. All the dupattas are too good. And my last designs are these two with a central panel work. See these? So this is the central work with katha work and French knots all over. And then this is the pant for this. And once again, it's a pure bandhani dupatta, cotton dupatta. These two are pure bandhani. Second thing is this coffee color with this light color pant. This is all original bandhani ones, and with this amazing dupattas. So the dupattas are really good, nice and fine, and this is how it is. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed seeing our collections. For prices and product descriptions, log on to our website www.shivaneboutique.com, or else 958550176 is our WhatsApp number. We are at your service. Thank you so much. We'll be back with lots of beautiful collections. Bye.